going to plot that point. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Next step, that's my starting point. So I know that I'm going to start here, and I'm going to add some more points to determine where my line is going to go through.
Wait, so do we have to put that purple point down?
Yeah, go ahead, do that, perfect. Okay, so now that I know my y-intercept, I need to look at my slope, perfect. Okay, so what numbers here will represent my slope? Yeah, 2 over 3. Okay, so my slope is equal to 2 over 3. What I like to do is actually draw the directions of where I'm going to be going. Okay, so this is my rise and this is my run. So I'm going to go up 2, and what am I going to do with the 3? I'm going to go to the right 3. So I'm going to go up 2 and I'm going to go over 3. So I go back to my starting point, my y-intercept, okay, and I'm going to go up 2, 1, 2, and over 3. 1, 2, 3. Put my point. Make sure you do not go back to your y-axis. You continue from that point. Okay, so my next step is same thing again. Up 2, 1, 2, over 3. 1, 2, 3. You can keep going. Sometimes it's good to do like so 3 or 4. Up 2, over 3. Good. Okay? And what do? I draw my line. Okay, remember to extend it and add an arrow. And what else do I need to do? What's my last step?
Oh,
Yeah, Mohammed?
put the equation down.
Exactly. State what this line is representing. So y equals 2 over 3x plus, or subtract 4. Okay, so that was our slope y-intercept form. Okay, what I would like you to try to do now is a t-chart. Do this using a t-chart. Okay, that first method. So my setup, x and y. What did I say about your x variables? Who remembers? You can choose them. You decide what you want your number for your x to represent. It's totally up to you. But one thing you might want to consider is choosing your variables wisely. What do I mean by that? Choose something that's going to work nicely, so you don't have any fractions or decimals. Okay, so if I look here at this, go back to this equation here, okay, I'm looking back here. What's a number that would be great to choose for x to start with? Yep.
0.
Sure, 0. So if I went 2 times 0 over 3, subtract 4, what do I get? I get negative 4. Good. So what would my coordinate be?
0.
Awesome. 0, negative 4. Now let's choose another number for x. What other number? Okay, let's choose ones that we can that are not too high, so we can actually graph them. Okay, so 2. Okay, I could choose 2. Let me just do that one to the side though. Okay, so if I chose 2, 2 times 2 divided by 3, subtract 4. Okay, 2 times 2 is? So I end up with 4 over 3, subtract 4. What do I now have to do? Can I subtract 4/3? Or sorry, 4 from 4/3? No. What do I need? A common denominator. So I would have to put this over 3, and I'd have to multiply this by 4, find the difference. Okay? You could do that. That's going to take up quite a bit of time, right? What's another option for me? Don't choose 2. Choose a number that can be divided by 3. So if I multiply 2 by a number and divide it by 3, what might that number be? Or a multiple of 3. What do you think might be a good idea?
6.
6. Okay, we can start with something even lower if we wanted. 3. Okay, so if I chose 3, watch the difference here. So 2 times 3 over 3, subtract 4. 2 times 3 is 6, divided by 3 is 2, right? You guys know that? 2 times 3, 6 divided by, 6 divided by 3, so we have 2. Take away 4, what's left?
2.
Good. Negative 2. So I have 3, negative 2. Okay? So remember, those integer rules all kind of come back. And somebody else mentioned doing 6. Okay? Sure. could I do 4? I mean, I could, but I'd be back to this, right? So let's do 6. So 2 times 6 is 12 divided by 3. We get 4. Take away 4 is? 4, take away 4 is?
0.
0. Good. So my coordinate would be 6 and 0. Okay? Now, I'm going to use another color to show you. So I'll plot these points, and where do you think they're going to end up? Yep.
I have a question.
Sure.
For you know how you're replacing the numerator with the number on the x?
Yep.
Why are you doing that? Why aren't you replacing it with the denominator instead?
Sorry, that's how it's all set up, because this is almost like saying it's kind of over 1.
Okay.
Okay? So no, you always go across, and that's how the equation's set up. Because remember, if I give you y equals 2x plus 1, okay? The 2 is attached to that variable, and we just put that over 1. That's how you would draw it. You go across and then divide. Okay, good question. All right, so 0 and -4. Okay, and then I have 3 and -2. 1, 2, 3, down 2. Oh, look, right there again. And then I have 6, okay, and 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 0. What do I get? I get the exact same line. Which strategy do you think might be a little more efficient when we are starting with a fraction?
First one.
Yeah, the first one, okay? It's what you are comfortable with, okay? So what I'm going to, is there any questions right now with this? Yep.
I have another question.
Sure.
For the y, you know how you subtracted like 4, right?
Yep.
So what you subtracted by? The fraction itself?
No, so we're this one here? This one you're talking about?
Yeah, for any of them.
Okay, so let me, I thought you guys moved. Okay, so 2 times 6 divided by 3. I'm going to do this one here, okay? Subtract 4, okay? If I were to just work through that, okay, so 2 times 6 is 12. Divided by 3, subtract 4, okay? I could put this over 3 and multiply it out, but I know that 3 goes nicely into 4. Because 12 over 3 is the same as saying
4.
4. So I get 4, subtract 4. Equals 0.